Workflow at a standstill because of the Chrome ELF module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix this software conflict for good. This DLL file is the Chrome extension loader framework. It is a vital component of the Google Chrome browser and other Chromium-based apps, responsible for managing sandbox processes and loading initial browser configurations. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by reinstalling the affected software. Reinstall the latest official version of Google Chrome, Chromium, to replace the Chrome ELF module. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Chrome ELF module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing the Chrome ELF module DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Google Chrome, Chromium today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.